Welcome everybody to another workshop. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do something more with Google Classroom, and we're going to be using Google Forms for you to collect information from your students and use that information. Today we're going to be doing a survey. So to start with, we'll go to our Google and go to Google Forms. There we go. Click on Google Forms, and as you'll see, it has different forms that you're familiar with, the docs, the sheets, the slides, and there's a fourth one for forms. So we're going to go to Google Forms. You'll notice that this Google Forms is related to my mail account, so it's all connected. Everything I do is saved in Google Drive. Okay, Google comes with lots of pre-made templates, as you can see. There are all sorts of templates that you can use, or just for the purpose of what we're going to be doing, we're going to go for a blank form today. So I'm going to give my form a name, and I'm going to call it test. There we go. Notice every time I write something, it tells me all changes are saved in Drive. There we go. There's my form. I'm going to ask the first question. And the question is going to be, what is your name? The person has to give me their name. Name is obviously not a multiple choice question. Name requires one of these. In this case, we're going to go for the short answer. So the person will be able to write the answer right there. And this is a required field. In other words, they must answer this. I now click on the plus sign to add the next question. I'm going to ask them for their gender. So the options are, of course, boy and girl. This is a multiple choice, so you can be one or the other. Excellent. Again, it's a required field. And my third part of my survey is going to be, where did you spend your summer holiday? There we go. Where do you spend your summer holidays? I spent it in Argentina. I spent it, let's say, in Uruguay. I spent it in Bolivia. I spent it in the USA. I spent it in Europe. And I can then add one that says other, which is not one of the above, a different option. However, this could be a multiple choice, obviously. So I could go to either Argentina or Bolivia or Europe. However, some of our children have been to more than one place. So I need to change from multiple choice, and I'm going to go to a checkbox. Checkbox allows me to have more than one answer. Okay. At any point in here, I may add in pictures, YouTube videos. I can play around with the text, the size of the font, and so on. And I can divide my form up into sections, none of which I want to do at this stage. Good. This is not a required question, or perhaps it is. Let's make it required. Good. My form is done, and now it is ready to be sent to my students. So I'm going to send it to them. And under send, I have various options. I can send it by email, to which I will add in all the email addresses over here, the subject, the message, and so on. I can include the form inside the email if I want. But for my purposes, I'm going to send a link. Okay, because obviously I'm going to post this in Google Classroom. There's the long link to my form. I can shorten it so that it looks a bit more attractive. There we go. I'm going to copy that link. Just press copy. Now my link is copied. I'm ready to post my form in my Google Classroom. Great. So I'm going to go down to Google Classroom. There we go. I'm going to enter my classroom, which we all know by now is called test. Excellent. In test, I can either make an announcement or create an assignment or create a question. You know how these work, whatever you prefer. But the purpose of today, I'm going to make an announcement. So there I'm going to say, please take this survey to tell me about your holidays. Good. I'm going to add in a link. Okay, and there it is. I've pasted it. I've added it. And I am ready to post. Good. There I have posted my Google form. So let's have a look, see what it looks like from my student's perspective. So if I were a student, I would go into test, and there would be a form waiting for me, which I would click on. And there is the form. Notice it doesn't have any colors. I didn't do any of those things yet. So my name is Juana. I am a girl, and I went to Argentina, Bolivia, as well as to South Africa. Okay, and I submit this, and my teacher receives the answers. Now, what are we going to do with those answers and how we can manipulate those answers? That is for the next tutorial. But for now, this is just creating a form and having students respond to it.